Dark spots, those unwelcome guests on our skin, can appear seemingly out of nowhere. They manifest as small, concentrated areas of discoloration or hyperpigmentation, a broader term for uneven skin tone, are a common concern. These patches of darker skin can vary in size and intensity, are a common skin concern, affecting people of all ages and skin types. It's a widespread issue that many individuals grapple with daily. They're caused by excess melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin color. When certain areas of the skin produce more melanin than others, it leads to these darker spots. Sun exposure without adequate protection is a major culprit. The sun's harmful UV rays stimulate melanin production. Inflammation from acne or injury can also trigger melanin overproduction, leading to what's known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Hormonal changes, particularly during pregnancy or due to hormonal therapies, can also play a significant role, often resulting in melasma. And aging are the main triggers. As we age, our skin's ability to regulate melanin production diminishes, leading to the development of age spots. While harmless from a medical standpoint, these spots can impact self-confidence, making individuals feel self-conscious about their appearance, and often prompt people to seek solutions, exploring various treatments and products to achieve a more even skin tone. Identifying the cause, understanding what's triggering the excess melanin production, whether sun, the relentless exposure to UV radiation, hormones, the fluctuating levels that can wreak havoc on our skin, or inflammation, the body's response to injury or irritation, is key to choosing the right treatment, ensuring that you're addressing the root of the problem. Addressing dark spots requires more than just topical products. It's not simply about applying a cream and hoping for the best. It's about understanding your skin's unique triggers, the specific factors that contribute to hyperpigmentation in your case. With the right approach, a tailored strategy that considers your individual needs, you can achieve a more even, healthy complexion. Aloe vera, a succulent plant celebrated across cultures, is known as the plant of immortality, a testament to its enduring benefits and long history of use. Its reputation stems from its remarkable ability to promote healing and rejuvenation. It has been used for centuries, passed down through generations for its soothing and healing properties, offering relief and restoration for various skin ailments. Its gel, found within the plant's thick leaves, is a powerhouse packed with vitamins, essential antioxidants, and is composed of over 99% water, making it incredibly light and refreshing. This high water content, combined with its unique composition, makes it an excellent hydrator, quenching the thirst of all skin types, from dry to oily. Aloe vera works wonders to calm irritation, providing immediate relief and effectively reduces redness, soothing inflamed skin. It also helps heal minor wounds, accelerating the recovery process, and provides significant relief from painful sunburns, promoting faster healing. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects contribute to a healthier skin environment, making it particularly useful for managing acne-prone and sensitive skin, offering a gentle yet effective solution. Aloe vera can also buffer the irritation that sometimes arises from stronger skincare ingredients, acting as a protective barrier, making even the most intensive skincare routines gentler and more tolerable for sensitive individuals. With a rich supply of vitamins A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like zinc, aloe vera actively supports skin repair, promoting collagen production and enhancing overall skin resilience against environmental stressors. This natural remedy, with its multifaceted benefits, remains a trusted staple in skincare for maintaining calm, balanced, and healthy skin. Aloe vera contains allicin and aloin, compounds shown to inhibit tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for melanin production. By slowing melanin synthesis, aloe vera may help prevent and lighten dark spots. Studies suggest allicin can reduce UV-induced pigmentation, and aloin may break down existing pigment. However, results vary depending on the product and concentration of active compounds. Aloe vera works best as a supportive treatment, not a standalone cure, for stubborn hyperpigmentation. For optimal results, combine aloe vera with sun protection and other proven ingredients. For best results, use fresh gel from a mature aloe vera leaf. Cut the leaf, drain the yellow latex, wash, and scoop out the clear gel. Store the gel in the fridge for up to a week. Always patch test before applying to your face to check for sensitivity. Apply a thin layer to dark spots or your whole face once or twice daily. Leave on for 20-30 minutes or overnight, then rinse. Consistency is key. Regular use over weeks is needed to see improvement. To fade dark spots and achieve a more even skin tone, consistency and a well-rounded approach are key. Remember, results take time, so be patient with your skin in the process. Pair aloe vera with daily broad-spectrum sunscreen. Sun protection is absolutely essential, not just for preventing new dark spots, but also for allowing existing ones to fade effectively. This is non-negotiable. Make sure you're applying enough and reapplying throughout the day, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Add proven ingredients like vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide, which helps to improve skin tone and texture, while also reducing redness and inflammation. Or gentle exfoliants, such as AHAs or BHAs, to help remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, revealing brighter skin underneath. For a multi-targeted approach, combining these ingredients can provide synergistic benefits and address dark spots from multiple angles. Aloe vera can soothe irritation from stronger actives, helping to calm any redness or sensitivity that may arise from using ingredients like vitamin C or exfoliants, making your routine more tolerable and ensuring you can stick with it long-term. Consistency is key to seeing real results. Healthy habits like getting enough sleep and managing stress also play a role in skin health. A balanced diet, proper hydration are all essential for overall well-being, which reflects in your skin. And not picking at skin, as this can lead to inflammation and further hyperpigmentation. Support clearer skin. Remember, patience and consistency are your best allies in achieving your skincare goals. Aloe vera's allicin and aloin offer real benefits, contributing to its skin brightening and soothing properties. But it's not a miracle cure. It works best as part of a comprehensive approach to skincare. Think of aloe as a supportive player, enhancing the effects of other active ingredients in your routine, in a comprehensive routine. By combining aloe vera with other effective ingredients, you can create a powerful and well-rounded skincare regimen. With patience and the right strategy, and by incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine, you can achieve a brighter, more even complexion and feel confident in your skin.